We all need moments of retreat, dear Virgo, and how we create these moments of retreat, or how you do this, is up to you in your day-to-day life. And sometimes it's unplugging. Sometimes it's unplugging from all the noise, social media, news, just to have your sanity and to allow the nervous system to relax, to allow the body to know that it's safe. Sometimes that's all you need. It's an hour, 2 hours away, a walk, somewhere in nature, somewhere beautiful. Whatever it is that's going to support you to feel at rest. And I'm referring to feeling at a deep rest, dear Virgo. That's what you need to be doing more of. Now, I say need, you don't need to do anything. It's up to you. I just don't have any other words to say some of the things that I feel are quite urgent and, yeah, that hold a lot of weight. So that's where the word need comes in. You need to be doing this. It's what I'm saying here is it's really, you're at a time in your life right now where taking care of yourself is beyond critical. And learning what self-care means for who you are as an individual is really important. And that means you've got to plug into the within part of you. Did you say what I just said? You've got to plug into yourself within. Listen to your inner wisdom, your intuition. Pay attention to your body. And maybe it's as simple as sometimes asking your body, hey, what is it you need today? What can I do for you today to bring the feeling of ease and safety? Oh, game changer. That's a game changer. And I would ask of you to leave those questions. For example, I'm at my desk and I spend a lot of time here because I do my work at my desk. So I would write those questions down and just leave them in front of me. And they're always there, just sitting there, staring at me, and I'm staring at them as a reminder, oh, hey, slow down and sit with my body and say, what can I do for you today? How can I best support you today?